If you're currently choosing who to go to China with for furniture and your budget is $80,000 or more, you're probably scared. That's normal. I'd be scared too. My name is Matvey. I'm the founder of Globus. We've been furnishing turnkey interiors for 15 years now and have shipped furniture to over 55 countries. In this video, I don't want to convince you with words, but just show you how everything works here so you can decide for yourself. This is our office in Foshan, the furniture capital of China. 500 square meters, 30 employees. And do you know why I'm starting with this? Because when you Google furniture tour to China, you get 1,000 websites and 90% of them are just two guys with a laptop in a rented apartment. They call themselves a company, take your money, and when problems with the factory arise, and they definitely will, believe me, they simply don't have the resources to solve them. Take Ekaterina, for example. She manages your project from the very first meeting right up to the moment the container is unloaded at your home. Ekaterina speaks Russian, Chinese, and English. She's not some freelance translator. She's been with our team for 3 years and knows the ins and outs of every factory we work with. Our clients never find themselves texting on WhatsApp and waiting 3 days for a reply, because their manager is busy with another project. Every project has a dedicated team, a department head, a manager, a designer, a logistics specialist, and a quality inspector. At least 5 people are working on your project. And now the main thing most of our competitors don't have, our own team of quality inspectors in China. A factory manager can make a mistake. For example, just recently a longtime partner of ours made a batch of chairs. The quality was perfect, but they mixed up the fabric color. If our inspector hadn't checked, the client would have received something completely different from what they ordered. We check every sofa, bed, and wardrobe before shipping. We always do a photo and video report. When loading into the container, we follow all the rules to make sure everything arrives in pristine condition and without damage. For every project, we have a folder with over 200 photos of the entire process. But quality is only half the story. The other half is speed and order, and Yulia is in charge of that. Yulia is the person who keeps the whole operational side of the company running. She makes sure that factories reply quickly to managers, that managers quickly pass information to clients, so that your project doesn't get stuck somewhere in emails for 2 weeks because someone forgot to hit the send button. She also controls the work of our quality inspectors, that is, the factories are checked by our QCs, and the QCs are checked by Yulia. Double backup.
The hardest part of my job isn't quality as such. We know how to check quality. The hardest part is the disputes, when the factory says this is normal and the client says this is defective. Or vice versa, when the client demands something the factory physically cannot do under the contract. My job is to figure out who's right and make a decision.
And this is the most important point I want to highlight. We do have disputes with clients. We do have conflicts with factories. They happen in any big project. The difference is that we have a person whose job is to deal with them fairly. Not to defend the company at all costs, but to really look at where the truth lies. If a factory made a mistake or a defect, we push the factory and redo it at their expense or as a last resort at our own. If a client changed the requirements during the project and is now unhappy, we calmly show them where it was agreed upon and offer a solution. This isn't a marketing line, it's a specific function of a specific person in our structure. The most common fear for a client without a design project is, I don't understand how this will look in my home. We used to solve this with sketches and photo matching. As of this year, we have our own 3D visualization studio. Here's a real project of a client from Dubai. We took his layout and put together a photorealistic model of the entire interior, with specific furniture, specific fabrics, and lighting fixtures. He saw his home before the first order was paid for at the factory. It cost $7 per square meter. For a 300-meter project, that's only $2,000 in total, a drop in the bucket of the overall budget. But this visualization catches a mistake that would have cost you $10,000 to $15,000 right at the discussion stage. I want to pause and talk about our philosophy, because without it, everything I've shown you is just infrastructure. Our client isn't someone looking to buy cheap in China. It's someone who understands that a 15,000 euro Italian sofa and its $4,000 Chinese counterpart are assembled on neighboring streets of the exact same city from the exact same materials, often by the exact same hands. We call it smart luxury. European level quality and design without paying extra for the label. It's not cheap, it's smart. Our average ticket is $80,000. People don't come to us for a single sofa. They come to us when they want a comprehensive approach at great prices. Now I'm going to show you something that absolutely no one else on the market is doing. No one at all. This is Andrei, the head of our IT department. In 2020, at the height of the pandemic, when no one could travel to China, we were the first in the world to launch a fully fledged online store for luxury furniture from China. Not just a catalog with photos like the others, but a real store with prices, the ability to build your own project, and a personal account. Now think about this. All furniture tours to China are built on one principle: the prices are hidden. That's how 100% of the market works. With us, it's the opposite. You go to globus.world and see the real prices for every single item. Before the tour, during the tour, after the tour. You can build the project yourself, you can do it online with a manager, or you can do it on our furniture tour in Foshan. The price will be exactly the same. Transparent.
Our catalog currently has tens of thousands of items with real prices straight from the factories. We update this database constantly. Factories change prices, new models come out, and some get discontinued. It's a tough technical challenge, but we've been handling it for 5 years now.
And now Andrei and his team are taking the next step. We're introducing AI that helps customers find furniture that fits their style, budget, and layout right on the website, before they even message us in the chat. Now about the tour itself. What happens if you decide to come visit us? First, we meet you at the Guangzhou airport and get you settled into a hotel in Foshan. Second, we plan the itinerary before you arrive. We don't just take you to look at factories like a tourist. We study your project in advance and select 8 to 12 factories out of the 5,000 in our region, the ones that fit your style, budget, and timeline. By the way, here's the person who does this job. Eva is the head of the supplier department. Her job isn't just to know the factories. Her job is to know which of them has deadline issues this month, who moved to a new facility, and who changed owners and started performing worse. This is a living database that's updated every month.
We have 300 vetted factories in our database, and for each project I select the 8 to 12 that are a perfect fit for style, budget, and timeline. And every 6 months we re-verify our partners. If a factory, say, starts cutting corners, they get kicked out of the database.
This is the kind of infrastructure you can't build in a year. It took us 15 years to build. In 3 to 5 days, you see everything with your own eyes. Touch it, test it for comfort and feel. And then we do the rest: production, quality control, packaging, container, logistics, customs, and delivery right to your home. The minimum order for a tour to Foshan is $50,000 and $30,000 for online sourcing. It's not because we're picky, it's just that only at these numbers does the purchase make sense, and below this threshold the service is no longer viable for the client. Let's be honest, you can find a cheaper contractor. You can find someone who promises to be faster. You can try to do it all yourself by going to China with a translation app and visiting 30 factories in a week. But in 15 years of work, I've seen dozens of clients who came to us after that kind of experience, with defective goods that no one wanted to take responsibility for, with furniture that in reality turned out to be nothing like the photos. We are not the cheapest contractor, we are the ones who take responsibility for the result. And if something goes wrong, we have the resources to fix it at our own expense. If you're looking for a reliable partner in China to bring your design projects to life, leave a request on globus.world. I personally read the first messages from new clients. Show us your project. We'll tell you honestly if we can help you or not. No obligations, no pressure, no buy now with a discount. That's not our style. See you in Foshan.